starting with number 10, Cisco. The shares are facing downward pressure in the pre-market after the communications company was initiated as a hold at Needham. Lazard Capital has also come out with a cautious note on the company. Dom?
Yeah, number 9 is Lionsgate Entertainment. The Hunger Games studio posted an unexpected first quarter loss as movie marketing expenses ate into its earnings. The movie company says some of the films which have experienced losses will ultimately be profitable. Josh?
And number 8, Chesapeake Energy, the Oklahoma-based energy company, is lower in the pre-market. That's after saying it received a subpoena in June amid an investigation into possible violations of antitrust laws in the purchase of oil and gas rights. Betty?
And our 7th stock is a bellwether, Caterpillar. The machinery manufacturer is trading lower in the pre-market after closing down almost 2.5% for the year yesterday. We're going to get the full details on the company in just a few moments. Its outlook when we are joined by Caterpillar's CFO, Ed Rapp.
Number 6 is Yahoo. Shares of the internet company are trading lower in the pre-market as newly appointed CEO Marissa Mayer reviews its strategy. She is considering the possibility of changing plans to return billions of dollars to investors. Josh?
Number 5, a commodity, corn. Forecasts for the crop have been cut by 13% to a 6-year low. That says the hottest July in decades, and a drought plagued the Midwest. Goldman Sachs is forecasting a continuation in price increases for crops. Betty?
Retail is what we're watching. Number 4 is Penney. Shares of the department store chain are in the green after dropping 12% in the pre-market. The retailer announcing fourth quarter losses that were wider, much wider than analyst estimates, as the company failed to draw as many customers as it had hoped.
And number 3, Betty, is Knight Capital Group. Investors that bailed out the trade execution service company may get more value from Knight Capital by selling Hotspot. That's an FX trading system and the company's stake in Direct Edge Holdings. Knight Capital faces potential losses from lawsuits and from lost business. Sheila?
Number 2 is Goldman Sachs. The U.S. Justice Department has announced that it won't pursue criminal charges against the bank for allegedly hiding bets against housing-related securities that it sold to investors. Now, this is after prosecutors determined that there was not enough evidence for a conviction. Betty?
Well, your number 1 stock this morning as we head towards the bell is RIM. Shares of the struggling BlackBerry maker are getting a boost after IBM made a formal approach about acquiring RIM's enterprise services unit, according to 2 people familiar with the situation. RIM is said to be waiting to release its line of BlackBerry 10 phones before making any decision to sell.